Guys, I'm here with Walt from TDS Tires, and Walt is going to show you how we can seal up a 5/8 hole on a SkidSteer tire, which is a 16.5 by 10. There is 78 ounces in this tire. So Walt, how are you going to show us that this works?
I have it all right here. Hammer, I'm going to hammer this all right in there.
Alright, let's see what you got. And you'll notice he's doing it on the top of the tire. So where is that hole now?
Right there.
There you have it. That is a permanent repair.
Yes.
So there you have it, folks. We tell you about it, and now we've shown you. Thank you, Walt.